only two things stopping you from exploding on social media: having high quality content and posting consistently. And that's why in this video, we're going to explore the benefits of posting high quality content versus posting consistently, and ultimately figuring out which one of those two we should prioritize more. Now, I get it. For most people, this is tough. We want to spend all the time making the best piece of content possible, something we're actually proud of. But on the flip side, we also want to be posting daily. It's tough. But before we dive in, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Mark, and on this channel, I help simplify all things marketing. Now let's set something straight. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned most people cannot create high quality content and post consistently at the same time. But there are some people that can. For example, MrBeast and Zach King. Yes, I know MrBeast doesn't post as much as he did in the past, but there's a reason why he has such a large audience and he has so many videos, because he used to post consistently. And the only reason someone like a MrBeast or Zach King can post consistent high quality content is because they have large teams to help them create the content, execute the content, and publish the content. We're talking about 25 to 30 people just for their content. And most of us, like you and I, we don't have that many people on our team, and in most cases, it's just us. And if you go back and look at some of the videos they created when they first started, the quality that we're used to now is not the quality that they had back then. But what got them to the high quality content that we now see is the consistent posting that they did when they first started. You see, there are a lot of benefits when it comes to creating high quality content. You get to stand out amongst the crowd, and a lot of people see you as someone that might be a little bit more trustworthy or credible. And unfortunately, when it comes to social media, perception is reality. And whether it's true or not, if someone sees that you have high quality content on social media, they're automatically going to see you as someone who's more reputable compared to your competition. And on the flip side, some of the benefits to posting consistently might be tapping into the mere exposure effect. Now, this is something in psychology that basically states that the more often we see something, the more likely we're going to like it. So by tapping into the mere exposure effect and posting consistently, we can automatically get our audience to like us a little bit more than our competitors. And by posting consistently, we start to become a little bit more favorable to all the social media platforms. It doesn't matter whether it's Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. The more often we post, the more likely the platform is going to like us. By the way, all social media platforms hate when you post and ghost. This is when you create something, you publish it, and you shut down the app, or you don't interact with others. So the next time you actually post something, go back into your feed and interact with your community. It doesn't matter what platform it is, they all hate when you post and ghost. So if you had to prioritize whether you spend your time creating high quality content or posting consistently, post consistently. Because through consistency, you're going to have more repetition, coming up with ideas, shooting that content, editing that content, writing captions, and as you continue to do this over and over, you're naturally going to create higher quality content. And when I'm talking about consistency, I'm not telling you to go spam Instagram and post 3 times a day. All I'm telling you to do is to create a schedule. If it's posting 3 times a week, it's posting 3 times a week. And another thing is, don't be so judgmental on your work. I know it's easy to say, it's hard to follow. I'm very judgmental on my work, but we need to understand we're going to get better over time, but it takes consistency, it takes repetition to get there. It's been said before, but social media is a marathon. You can sprint out the gate with amazing content that took you weeks to produce, but if you can't maintain that pace, you're going to fall behind. And on the other hand, if you start with solid, not necessarily perfect content, but you're posting consistently, you're steadily going to build up the momentum, grow your audience, and increase the quality of your content. But it all starts with being consistent. Now, if this video helped you out, do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.